It's gonna be good now. That's my pet snake. Hello. B. Baja. Pretty good, huh? Baja. A lot of practice. Robot. Robot. By the way, have you seen Michael Jackson? Robot, you Michael Jackson? Buffalo! Ooh! Buffalo, tiger! Ah! Panther! Oh, we didn't practice that one. We didn't practice it. Sorry, guys. Again, one more time. Tiger! Tiger! Ah! I did this last time. It's the exact one. I'm gonna show you something different. To the far! I got an aerobics instructor. He obviously didn't aerobic me. But ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't not known by now, we are from the country of Samoa. We're gonna take you on a journey, on a cruise, not a plane, a cruise, because we can't afford the plane. On a cruise, not a fantastic cruise like P&O, but a canoe boat. Is that okay for you? Yeah. Okay. All aboard, all over. I'm gonna take you all the way to Fiji first. We've arrived. So Samoa, make some noise. Woo! Welcome to everyone that's here tonight, whether you're Samoan, whether you're not. Thank you so much for letting us share our culture with you guys. And we're going to finish this night off with a taulunga. A taulunga is a special sacred dance to our Samoans, where our sister will come out, she'll perform a dance, and we'll all, as a community, support her. With money! You thought there was a catch, huh? But it's with money. Unfortunately tonight, guys, we don't do afterpay, and we don't do FBOS. Only cash money. Turn to your neighbor and say, give me the money! tasi, lua, tolu, wha,